Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn how to apply transition effects in Redmi 4 or Redmi Note 4. So guys, to apply transition effects in your Redmi 4 and Redmi Note 4, at first you have to touch anywhere on the space for a while. See, you have to hold on the screen for a while and then you will see options wallpaper, widgets and settings. Again I will show you. Just hold your finger on the screen for some time and then you will see option wallpaper, widgets and settings. Now you have to tap settings. Here you will see options transition effects. Now you have to touch this transition effects option. Then you will see slide. These are the various effects: crossfade, tremble. You will see the demo also of the screen. Page, cascade, rotate, cube. Say this one. And then after choosing the effects, just simply tap the back button. See, the effects has changed. Again I will show you. Just tap for a while on the blank space of the screen and then tap again settings and then transition effects. Then I will show you crossfade. See, the settings effects is changed. Again another effects I will show you how to apply. Just you need to hold your finger on a blank space of the screen for a while. Once you see the option settings, then you have to tap settings button, then transition effects. Once you and choosing the effects, just tap the back button. In this way you can apply transition effects to the home screen in Redmi 4, Redmi Note 4. Thank you very much. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.